how to change the name of your document in your Google Drive. So here I have some documents, and I want to change the name of a few of these so they kind of have the same naming, device. And so here I have, just click on this document, I'll right click, and you can see right here I have a choice of rename. So I'll go ahead and click it, and then I will change things around. So I'll put the name that I want there, so it kind of matches up with what I had started doing with the other documents. Click OK, and you can see immediately changes, and it's as easy as that. So once again, just click on your document, right click, click rename, and then change it to what you want, and then click OK, and you are good to go. And that is how you change the name of a document in Google Drive. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments.